Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some honey barbecue chicken, full of flavor, mouth-watering, and is also delicious. This honey barbecue chicken is sure to be a hit at your next barbecue. There's something about making your own sauce that makes your food taste so much better. So if you want to learn this delicious recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and please do not forget to stay tuned. Let's get this process started. This is all the ingredients I will be using to make my honey barbecue chicken. Over here, so I have my chicken. As you can see, I've cut up my chicken, clean it with vinegar and lime. This is how I love to clean my chicken, with vinegar and lime, make it fresh and nice. And I'm using a whole chicken, guys. And also I pat dried the chicken. Over here I have my dried seasoning. In the video you will see how much seasoning I've added. So yes, have me some salted butter, some honey to make the sauce, some hot sauce, some Grace tomato ketchup. Use whatever ketchup you have, some soy sauce, and I got my original barbecue sauce. Can't beat that. So guys, if you want to learn this delicious mouth-watering honey barbecue chicken, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe. Let's get it started. These are all the dried seasoning that I'm going to use to season my chicken. But first, we're going to place all of the seasoning in this container right here. It's a little bit easier and it's much better. As you can see in all my previous videos, this is what I do with all my dried seasoning. Combining everything, getting that flavor. And take a look at all of this. Don't you love the smell of dried seasoning, guys? Right now, I am going to season up my chicken with my dried season. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to combine everything together as one. Please make sure you mix until you get that nice combination. And take a look at that. Smelling so good. What I'm doing now, I'm sprinkling over my chicken just like so. And I'm leaving back a little bit if needed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to massage my dried season into my chicken, making sure it reaches to the bone, and it needs more. So I'm just adding everything to my chicken. We want to make sure our chicken is flavorful and nice. When you bite on that bone and that chicken meat, you taste the flavorness from the seasoning. Going in with my soy sauce. And also you could use whatever soy sauce of your choice. This is what I have, so I'm using it, guys. Alrighty, then must massage it in the chicken, just like that. This smells super good already. And take a look at my seasoned chicken. All that seasoning well combined and properly massaged. OMG, I cannot wait to put this in the oven. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover it and let it marinate for roughly like an hour and a half. And then we come back and then we check on it. So see you back in an hour and a half. And now this is all the ingredients here that I'm going to use to make my sauce for my chicken. Over here, I have me 6 tablespoons of butter, my hot sauce. And you could use whatever hot sauce of your choice. I have made some barbecue sauce, some tomato ketchup. You can't go wrong with this tomato ketchup. Some onion powder, just to give it that little flavor, and some honey. Ooh la la, give it a nice sweet, sour, and a little spicy taste. All of this combined together is one nice combination. At this point, I'm going to prepare my sauce for my chicken. So what I'm doing here, I'm adding my butter to my saucepan And please make sure your stove is on low flame. We don't want to burn our sauce that we're trying to make for our chicken. So guys, please make sure your flame is on low heat because the sauce doesn't take a long time to be prepared. Going in with my barbecue sauce. This right here is the bomb. The combination, all of this combination that I'm adding here, it is a must try. So please make sure you try this at home and let me know how it came out. Don't be afraid to communicate because I want to know how it tastes in your kitchen as well. Alrighty guys, so I'm just scraping out everything and I'm just combining my barbecue sauce to my melted butter. And don't be alarmed by this, everything will combine together as one. So mix until it is well combined. To that, I'm going in with my hot sauce. All of these ingredients here is everything, guys. Please take your time and just mix everything in until it is well combined. Add in my tomato ketchup. Cannot go wrong without some tomato ketchup in all of this niceness. This honey barbecue sauce is the bomb. Please try it at home. Going in with my honey, and look how my honey just a touchdown in the sauce like a bad boy. Oh Lord, cannot wait to dig in. Mix until it is well combined. Alrighty, follow these steps and I promise you won't go wrong. It's the consistency for me. Ooh la la. You know, my kitchen is full of flavor and niceness, so just add your onion powder just like so and just mix it. If you find out that there is little particles being developed from your onion powder like these, just take your spatula and just mix it along the side of your saucepan. It will diffuse and looking just like this. Look at that, giving it that taste test. If you don't try this in your kitchen, you are totally missing out on something super delicious and nice. Now I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna move on to my chicken. And here goes my chicken. The smell of this as I open the top is everything. But first, take a look at my chicken. How everything is sweating. All my seasoning, I know that juicy bone is gonna taste super good when I dig in. Marinating plays a very important role when cooking your chicken. Ooh la la, cannot wait. But now we are gonna move on to lining our baking tray with some aluminum foil paper. Going in with some of my non-stick cooking spray to my foil paper. What I'm doing here is simply greasing my foil paper, making sure when I add my chicken it does not stick. So whatever you're baking your chicken on, please make sure you grease it. Alrighty? Adding my chicken to my foil paper. A very important tip that I'm going to share with you guys. When baking your chicken, you want to make sure you don't overcrowd your baking tray. So give it that little space in between so your chicken can be baked properly. And I'm just repeating the exact same thing to my other container. All that juice from our chicken, we are just gonna simply drizzle it over our chicken just like so, because we want to make sure it is flavorful right throughout. It is time for me to add my honey barbecue sauce to my chicken. So what I'm doing here is just simply coating my chicken with my sauce. And voila! There you have it. My honey barbecue chicken is ready to be added to the oven. But first, just take a look at all of this niceness right here. It is time for me to add my foil paper to cover my honey barbecue chicken because I don't want my chicken to be dried out. I want it to be moist and nice. So let's put it in the oven for 40 minutes and then we're gonna come back and check on it. Please make sure your oven is preheated at 350 degrees. And look at that. Look how nice this looks. It is coming along perfectly fine, just the way how I want it to be. The smell of this is everything. Now we are back. The 40 minutes is up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain off the excess water from my chicken. But first, I'm turning it over on the opposite side so we can add the sauce to the opposite side. Okay, we want to make sure all of our chicken is well coated in our sauce, just to make sure it is nice and tasting also juicy and delicious. So I've drained off the excess water from the chicken. And look at that. What I'm doing now, I'm just going ahead and add the remaining sauce to the entire chicken on both sides. Okay? Now that my chicken is completely coated in my sauce, I'm going to add it back in the oven for an extra additional 40 minutes. We're not going to cover it at this time because I want to make sure the sauce is infused in the chicken. So let's go. In this second batch of chicken, I'm doing the exact same process that I've done before with my previous batch of chicken that I've added to the oven. So what you're going to do, drain your water off, add the barbecue sauce to it, put it back in the oven. We're not covering the chicken. Please remember that. And look at all of this niceness. I'm just giving you guys a peek of what it looks like in the oven. Okay? Cannot wait to dig in and reach down that juicy bone. So I'm going to add the third coating of my sauce to my chicken because it needs it, as you can see. Okay, so add your third coating, put it back in the oven for roughly like 10 minutes or less, depending on how your chicken is coming out, and make sure your chicken is cooked. And that's all that matters. Look at this. Coming along so perfect, just the way how I want it to be. Honey barbecue chicken to perfection. And there you have it. My honey barbecue chicken is all finished and is looking super delicious, mouth-watering, and is oh so smelling good. You guys, I wish you all could smell this and taste this right now, because right here, it is everything in my kitchen. The smell of the honey, the barbecue sauce, everything combining together on my chicken. Ooh la la. I just cannot wait. So, take a closer look at all of this right here. Tell me in the comment section how much you would rate this honey barbecue chicken, because I know you are drooling right now at this present time. Making me a plate. So I'm going in with my honey barbecue chicken along the side with some rice and peas freshly made. There's a recipe on how to make rice and peas, and my chicken gravy along the side as well. And there is a recipe as well on how to make my chicken gravy. And there you have it. My honey barbecue chicken in my kitchen, the Jamaican way. So guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, turn your notification button on so you do not miss out any video that we post. Alrighty guys, so I'm going in right now and I'm going to show you guys how well done my chicken is, how flavorful, juicy, and delicious it tastes. I just cannot wait to taste this bad boy right here. The fork and the knife is just going in, because you know this is everything, and it came out perfectly fine. Look at that, guys. Cannot get enough of this right here. Look how nicely done my chicken is. The smell is everything, so take a bite. OMG, this chicken right here makes me super speechless. I just want to go in again, rubbing in that nicely done chicken gravy. Oh la la. Look at that, guys. Take a closer look. Closer look. OMG. Now I'm going. I just want you guys to taste all of this niceness right here. Enough elaborating, and I'm just going in because I'm hungry. I've been vlogging this video from like 2 hours, and your girl is really hungry. So please forgive me, guys, if I'm making you hungry, because I'm hungry as well. So I'm just gonna eat this up, and I'm gonna see you guys soon. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Please do not forget to turn your notification button on. Please do not forget to comment and let me know what you want to see me cook again in my kitchen. And please do not forget to comment and let me know how much you would rate this video. And if you had tried at home, please let me know how it turned out in your kitchen if you and your family enjoy this honey barbecue chicken. Look at the bone. You know, everything is in the bone. Ooh la la. Let me go in and eat, guys. So have a blessed week. See you guys soon. Please stay safe, stay prayed up, drink your water, and stay hydrated. Do not forget, David and Jody love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for the continuous support. Thank you so much for riding along with us. It is overwhelming, guys. Super grateful to have each and every one of you in our corner. So guys, have a blessed week. See you guys soon. Bless up yourself. Bye, guys.